Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. So today I'm just going to do an unboxing slash first impressions of some nails that I got from the Etsy seller Myluxenails. So the nails first of all came in a jiffy bag like this, so they were nice and protected. The nails came with basically a set of instructions. So we have basically how to apply the nails, taking care of the nails, and basically how to remove them. We also get a handy alcohol wipe, so antibacterial. We get a lovely handy nail file. We get a cuticle pusher. We get the business card of the seller, which is a lovely touch. I've not really seen this from a lot of Etsy sellers that I've come across, especially not with the alcohol wipe and this level of, you know, of detailing. This screams professional to me, and I think that's probably one of the reasons why I consistently go back to this seller. If you've seen any of my other videos, you will see that I've used them quite a lot. They just seem to put a lot of hard work into the nails, and it is always a kind and professional service. And I've never had any problems as of yet from any of the nails that I've had. So the nails, I'm going to get them for you now. I've come in this box here. We have the seller's logo here, which is a lovely touch. The nails have not been, you know, sellotaped into the box or anything like that, as we can see. So I'm just going to take this off. So there's nothing in the lid, but this is the nails. They are on like a foam pad, and this is like a sticky tape type thing. With this seller, I've noticed there's never any nail varnish smell. Sometimes when you do get press on nails, you'll open them and you'll just get like hit in the face with like really strong nail varnish smell. With these you don't, and I've never had them as of yet, so that's great. The nails, as you can see, they're like an ivory kind of colour. So there's like a 3D white rose there, and also here, and then we've got like some gems here, and also on that nail and that one. They are in the shape regular coffin. They are in the size M for my fingers. So I'm just going to get the official name for these nails and also the price, because they've sent me an invoice. So these nails are called Cream Wedding Floral Crystal Opal press-on nails. They're hand painted. They are, as I said, regular coffin, size M, as I said. These nails were £16.33. And shipping for me was £2.11. Now obviously if you're ordering from abroad, prices are going to be different. I'm obviously not sure what the prices are going to be, but they probably will be different. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link to these nails in the description below, so if you want to buy them you can do. Looking at them, they are just absolutely stunning, and to be honest with you, the camera just does not do them justice. I'm going to get one of them out just so then I can see the quality of the nail. Actually, we'll take two out. We'll take out the ones with the gems on. So the first one I've got out is the ring finger. So as you can see, there's the rose. Now they seem to be very stuck on, which is what you want. I'm pressing that and that is not bending. There have been some nails where they have bent, and that's not a good sign. They haven't, so that's a thumbs up, and that is the thumb. So let's try the same. Yeah, that one's not bending either. They are super strong. As I say in a lot of my videos, luckily this seller has used gel to stick on the gems, and they have not used super glue. When a seller uses super glue to glue on gems, it makes me instantly hate the nails, sorry to say, because I know for a fact that I'll have them on for about an hour and then the gem will fall off, and then it's just like, why have I wasted my money? But luckily they've gelled it. So I think I've covered everything that I wanted to cover about these beautiful nails. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be posting a video shortly on how I basically prep my nails and how I apply my nails. I'm probably going to use these ones as the demonstration because they're going to be my next set. I am also going to do a update work kind of video as well within the next week or two, depending on how long I put them, I leave them on for. Just basically giving my final thoughts to see how they have, lasted, and see if any gems have fell off, if any polish has come off. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please drop me a comment if you've got any like suggestions or questions or compliments about the nails. And if you want to see any of my future videos, please subscribe. Make sure that bell is on, so then when I do my other videos you'll be notified and you'll be able to watch them. So please do share this video with your friends, and I will see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.